The Tifgalop ES28 is a powerhouse of an electric mountain bike, purpose-built for riders who demand speed, control, and rugged all-terrain performance. At its core are two 1000W supermotors that deliver a combined surge of power, generating an impressive 90 Nm of torque in just 2 seconds. Thanks to the sine wave motor design, you get smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and precise control over your speed. With 5 adjustable gears and a responsive 3-speed setting, you can tailor your ride for either steady cruising or aggressive climbs, making it equally suited for city commutes, steep mountain trails, or challenging off-road conditions. Powering this beast is a high-capacity 52V 22Ah Lithium battery made from premium Samsung SDI 18650 cells. Each cell is carefully engineered for efficiency and durability, resulting in a long-lasting power source capable of supporting extended adventures. The battery's quick-detachable sealed design meets IPX6 waterproof standards, ensuring resilience against rain, splashes, and rugged environments. It's removable for convenient charging, holds UL 2271 International Safety Certification, and offers exceptional reliability whether you're tackling daily rides or embarking on weekend expeditions. The ES28 is built to handle tough terrain with confidence. Its advanced 4-link rear shock absorber and front suspension fork work together to smooth out bumps, reduce vibrations, and maintain traction even on uneven or slippery surfaces. This dual suspension system not only improves stability and control, but also reduces rider fatigue, giving you the freedom to travel farther and faster with greater comfort. Paired with hydraulic disc brakes featuring 160mm rotors on both wheels, you can rely on consistent, powerful stopping performance in all weather conditions, from sudden downpours to dusty trails. Durability is further reinforced with puncture-resistant fat tires, designed to fend off thorns, sharp rocks, glass, and other debris that would otherwise interrupt your ride. Their wide profile and deep tread pattern provide superior grip and flotation, making them perfect for snow, grass, mud, and gravel roads. No matter the season or terrain, these tires keep you moving without compromise. Taking control of your ride is both functional and visually engaging thanks to the ES28's vibrant 5-speed multifunction LCD color display. This high-definition interface provides real-time cycling data, from speed and battery level to trip distance and assist mode, all presented in brilliant clarity. It transforms the way you interact with your bike, making every journey not only a physical adventure, but also a visually immersive experience. The Tifgalop ES28 is more than just an electric bike. It's a high-performance off-road machine that blends raw power, advanced technology, and durable engineering. Whether you're chasing adrenaline on the trails, conquering steep climbs, or simply enjoying a long scenic ride, the ES28 gives you the speed, comfort, and confidence to push your boundaries every time you hit the road.